Alright, this is my video summary or demonstration of a homopolar motor. And so what this is just a regular AA battery with some rare earth magnets is what they're called at the store. I think the actual name of them is like neodythylium or something like that. But basically, so you're going to use those, and then a piece of copper wire that has been, it's kind of in a circle so that when you put it on like this, it goes around and it can still touch the magnets down here. So what you do is you just put it down, and then it starts spinning because you have in essence created a motor. And it'll actually get faster if you kind of hit it right, it'll go faster. Mine's kind of slowing down or maintaining constant speed, but the reason that it works is simple. So here's a little diagram. And so we've got our battery here, and then we've got our copper wire that's going around, and then we've got our magnets. So with our magnets, we have a north and a south pole, and what that's doing is it's creating a magnetic field that's going this way. Right, it's going up and down. And then our electrons, as they're going throughout the conductor, which is our copper wire, it's creating a field that's pointing in one direction. So then what happens is we've got our magnetic field is going here, our electric field is going perpendicular to that, which produces a Lorentz force, which then causes it to turn. The main thing, so the reason so this is just showing that the electrons are going throughout because it's conducting it. But yeah, the electrons are moving perpendicular to that magnetic force. So what happens is then, the Lorentz force, we come back to this. When we put it on, that's why it starts to spin the other way. If we flip the battery over, it'll spin the other way, just because you're changing which way the electrons are flowing. So basically what you're doing is you're creating a DC motor. And you're creating it because there's two magnetic poles with your north and your south. And it's rotating a conductor, which is the copper wire, right? So it rotates the copper wire in a fixed axis, or it does it around a fixed axis that's parallel to the magnetic field. So again, just coming over here, it's because the magnetic field is going straight up and down. So it's going up and down the battery, and then the electrons are going perpendicular, so then it spins around that same axis. It spins around that same axis that's parallel to the magnetic force. So there you have it. Super simple, easy to do. Didn't really cost a ton either. Pretty cool experiment though.